My name is Rishi S, also known as the Jump Rope Coach. I've always been a motivated guy, very inspired to do something with my life. I always felt I had a purpose to change people's lives in this world. The main thing that I think came out of this was just legacy. That was all that was in my head, is that can I create a legacy for myself? Way in the future I could look back and say, you know what, you changed people's lives, you made a difference. And that's when I decided, this is it, I'm going to bring my own skipping rope out, and this is going to be the game changer. This is what's going to change cardio forever. Because this one piece of plastic, this one super simplistic piece of gym equipment, once someone has that and they know how to use that, and they can use it the right way, look good doing it, and just feel good doing it. Those three things, once they have that focus in their life with the skipping rope, it's going to change them forever.
Good morning, Jump Nation family. It is Saturday, January the 27th, and we are launching today our legacy line of hoodies. We're just stacking up the shelf. I've just got this new shelf put in the studio today. All those boxes have got more hoodies, so we've just started to prep everything up at 4 o'clock today. So my last vlog last week actually went pretty well. A lot of you did like the format, you liked the vlog, and I'm going to do a lot more of it to kind of give you guys the more sort of behind the scenes and raw footage of what's been happening and how we are building this brand. So right, I'm gonna get moving. I need to get this website done. I need to update with pictures, with descriptions and everything else, and we're gonna get it as always. Peace. And there, that little space there, you see, that is where we do all our recording. That is where all the magic happens, right on that little spot there. So I'm just gonna go through all the items, just check what's going on with them, and then we're just going to update the inventory. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to set a timer on it so that 4 o'clock sharp it is going to basically upload and it's going to be showing as in stock. So that's the first thing. We're going to basically manage our inventory. Fun times. Breakfast hookup. GGF legs. What we got? We got muffin with eggs and chili. Coffee. This is my go-to breakfast, guys. Sweet, baby, thank you. This is my ends. I thought, let me show you around the place a little bit. This is Croydon. Look how nice it is. I don't know if you can see it. There's nothing much in the background here, but yeah, you would have seen maybe the IKEA towers there. This is actually the cinema that you're seeing here in the background. So right, let me show you the complex here when we go in. So let's just turn the camera a little bit here, babe. So this is it. This is the Royal Mail Croydon Centre. They let me in or what? Yeah, let me in. Good man. So look, on another status right now. I don't have to even press the bell. They just let me in. So check out this. Look at this complex. It is mad. Massive Arctic lorries, truck, everything. This is where all the posts in the London area, I believe, the South London area, all comes. Right, let's have a look. You still open? PPI? PPI? Good man. You gonna be on YouTube? You don't be on YouTube. That's one bag. That's two. That's three. Shit. There's the last one. Nice one, bro. My man didn't want to be on YouTube. My man was like, no, don't want to be on YouTube, don't want to be. Poor guy. So grey here. So grey. So grey in London town.
Amiguitos, amiguitas.
So all my Spanish crew out here. You know your boy Rishi speaks Spanish, right? For a vlog we might have to do one day in Spanish. And I know my Spanish crew is pretty decent as well, because I do your orders. So I know all you Jose's and Miguel's, all my boys out there, all my Marias, all them get. Oh. So it's just been a manic 2 hours. We've just gone live. The website is absolutely popping off and I'm still working on it. We had a little glitch around 4 o'clock when it's supposed to be live. Let me turn this off, I can't concentrate. But yeah, I'm still working on the website, but I've already put it up. It's all live. All your promo codes that I gave you a couple of episodes back, that's all working now. We've got such a big number of traffic on the website, and literally everything is flying right now. So by the time you are watching this video, guys, yeah, just get on the website right now. Seriously, don't want to miss anymore. Yeah, listen, this is mental. Thank you all so much. I know a lot of you out there who are watching this right now have already purchased, have already ordered. And it's our first hoodie launch, our first extreme weather, warm weather kind of clothing. And we spent a long time on it, guys. Me and the missus have spent at least 3 months, I would say, 4 months on designing this hoodie. Getting it right, making sure the quality is right for you guys, and we just can't wait to see you guys in action with it. Yeah, this is the website, guys. This is what it's looking like. We've got the limited edition rope back as well. New bundles. These have been out for a couple of weeks now. There's the images that I'm using. This is the women's range here. I've also got the kids range as well. I haven't got that picture up. Shit. Alright, listen, I'm going to cut it right here. I need to do some more work quickly, but I'm going to come back and see you in the next clip. Peace. Those of you who are coming new to the channel and don't know what the hell is going on and thinking, what the hell is this guy talking about? This is a brand that just started 2.5 years ago. I had an ideology, I had a thought that I was enjoying my skipping, I was becoming good at it, I was learning every day, and I was feeling so good about myself, my mental focus, everything was getting better about me, my physical performance, my physical appearance, and I just wanted to share it with the world. And why are you laughing for? I'm trying to have a moment here. But listen, I wanted to share it with the world, and I decided to create this YouTube channel. I wanted to create this YouTube channel just to share this amazing form of fitness, cardio, and it's just more than fitness, guys. It is the lifestyle for me now, and a lot of people, thousands of people now are buying this rope that we've provided, and also now the apparel to go along with it. And the apparel is there just to grow the movement, guys, to show people out there, when you rock this apparel, this hoodie, this t-shirt, that you are part of the Jump Nation family, you are part of the Rush Athletics movement, and that you are able to skip like a boss. Yeah, it's just getting mental. It's getting mental. Like, we're gonna sell out. We're gonna sell out, and it's just crazy. And I still need to do my Insta post. Takes me so long still. Actual physical work. When I'm doing physical work, I like listening to Trap Nation and some nice beats, things that I don't even know the words to, so that I can just basically get in the zone and concentrate. I will recommend that. If any one of you are just revising or need to study, don't listen to tunes that you know the words to, because you're just gonna get all. The missus laughs. The missus makes so many mistakes. Like, if you guys are not getting your ropes, if you're not getting your ropes, yeah, it's
That's not true.
her fault, yeah, because she's listening to like reggaeton. You comfy there?
Voy a comer una mandarina.
After Liverpool had taken an early lead through Roberto Firmino. Dawson.
So tired. Fell asleep and woke up to all of this on me. Missus messing around. Well, I'm knackered. Watched a bit of football, watched Liverpool lose, which was super cool. Always like watching Liverpool lose. I'm going to probably start recording a little bit more on a vlog tomorrow as well. And then we're going to get this video out. So I'm going to catch you tomorrow. Genetics though, guys, you can't help that. My calf starts like literally way up my leg. Look, that's my calf muscle there. So I do have some sort of calf.